Fix desktop icons missing. So in this video, I'll show you 3 proven methods to fix desktop icons missing. So first is to restore missing desktop icons. So check on desktop icon settings, right click on desktop, and then select personalize from here. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the themes tab. And then on the themes tab, go ahead and click on desktop icon settings. And then in here, go ahead and make sure icons like this PC, recycle bin, and more are checked. And then make sure to enable show desktop icons. Right click on the desktop view, ensure show this desktop icon is enabled. And then after that, go ahead and restart Windows Explorer on your task manager. So to open task manager, go ahead and click on Control Shift Escape. And then on the task manager, look for Windows Explorer and then right click on it and then click on restart. Another thing you can do is to fix blank white shortcut icons. So rebuild icon cache, go ahead and open CMD on your PC and then click on run as administrator from here and then click on yes on the pop-up. Now in here, go ahead and enter the command task skill /im explorer.exe space /f. And then after that, run the /a/q percent local app data percent /icon cache.db, and then run the /a/f/q percent local app data percent /Microsoft Windows /explorer /icon cache. And then enter the command start explorer.exe. So this deletes and rebuilds the icon cache. So clear the thumbnail cache, open this cleanup, and then select thumbnails and clean them. And the last method is to update or reset settings. So outdated drivers can cause icons to appear blank. So open Device Manager by clicking on WinX on your keyboard and then select Device Manager from here. And then from here, go ahead and look for the display adapters and then click on it and then right click on your driver and then click on update driver.